Bridge in Hubei province, boasting a world record main span of 1,222 meters, stands as a pinnacle of Chinese engineering. Completed in 2009 after 4 years of construction, the bridge crosses a 496-meter deep valley with unstable limestone terrain. Built using ultra-high-performance concrete, UHPC, 10 times stronger than conventional concrete, it features a real-time seismic monitoring system with IoT sensors to ensure safety in an earthquake-prone region. Leveraging modular precast technology, AI-optimized design, and drones for construction in rugged terrain, the Siduhe Bridge was completed ahead of schedule, astonishing international experts and setting a global benchmark. China, with over 70% of its territory comprising high mountains, deep valleys, and rugged plateaus, once faced immense challenges in infrastructure development. Towering peaks, sheer cliffs, and harsh weather conditions like heavy rain and landslides made road and rail construction daunting. Yet China transformed these obstacles into opportunities, harnessing cutting-edge technology and rapid construction to create world-class infrastructure that inspires global admiration. From record-breaking bridges to railways piercing mountains, China's story of innovation, artificial intelligence, and determination to conquer nature showcases its ability to surpass all limits. In Tibet, a rugged plateau where 80% of the terrain is mountainous and home to 3.6 million people, the Sichuan-Tibet Railway is a standout achievement in transportation engineering. Spanning approximately 1,700 kilometers, the railway connects Chengdu, Sichuan, to Lhasa, Tibet, traversing the treacherous terrain of the Tibetan Plateau, including the Himalayas. The Lhasa-Ningxi section, 435 kilometers, completed in June 2021 after 7 years of construction, is Tibet's first high-speed railway, featuring 47 tunnels and 121 bridges, which account for 75% of its length. Advanced 3D building information, modeling BIM software ensured precision in design and construction. Equipped with an intelligent transportation system, ITS, powered by AI and cloud computing, the railway optimizes operations with real-time sensors and 5G technology, providing operational updates to minimize risks. Despite the harsh terrain and an average altitude of 4,000 meters, thousands of workers and hundreds of modern machines labored tirelessly to complete the project on schedule. China's construction achievements form a comprehensive technological ecosystem. 3D printers rapidly produce bridge and tunnel components, drones monitor sites to ensure progress and safety, and big data optimizes infrastructure maintenance. Companies like the China Communications Construction Company, CCCC, extend their expertise globally through the Belt and Road Initiative, building overpasses in Southeast Asia and tunnels in Africa. Constructing 3,000 kilometers of highways annually, China's unmatched speed solidifies its global leadership in infrastructure. Alongside the Siduhe Bridge and the Sichuan-Tibet Railway, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, stretching 55 kilometers to connect 3 major cities, exemplifies China's prowess in maritime construction. These projects have created millions of jobs, linked remote regions, spurred economic growth, and alleviated poverty. Incorporating recycled materials and solar panels, they demonstrate a commitment to sustainability. Tens of thousands of engineers and workers, persevering through storms and treacherous terrain, have turned ambitious visions into reality, inspiring the world with China's resilience and innovation. Projects like the Siduhe Bridge, the Sichuan-Tibet Railway, and the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge are not just engineering feats, but bold statements of technological prowess. The Sichuan-Tibet Railway, with its intricate design navigating the plateau through numerous bridges and tunnels, showcases remarkable ingenuity in Tibet's rugged landscape. These structures attract millions of visitors, inspire engineers worldwide, and set new standards for the construction industry. By conquering mountainous terrain and pioneering smart infrastructure integrated with renewable energy and AI, China has reshaped global transportation. From record-breaking bridges to complex transit networks, China has authored a transformative chapter in infrastructure history, turning the impossible into reality and shaping a new era for humanity.